you take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every fault you make, but I know for what it's for my own sake. I'm a paper plane, wind is throwing me across the sky. But thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper plane. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. All ups and downs